Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how I created this party decor for a Space Jam first birthday. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do so if you enjoy content like this. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, so let's get started. I first came across this design when I was searching for party ideas on Pinterest. Okay, so this is exactly what I found on Pinterest, and I said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and put my own twist to it. So I found these letters at Hobby Lobby. They were very inexpensive, and as you can see, I just took the foam brush and tore off the top part of it so that I can have some type of sponge type of applicator to use to put the little space background, the space decor on the letter. So I painted each letter a color, and I got the paint from Walmart. You guys, it was so hard to find paint because, as you all know, with the quarantine and everything like that, things are slowly opening up. It was very hard to find all of the materials. So I'm using what I have to make this fabulous. Okay, so as you can see, the paint color that I have is like a navy blue, and I'm using this to go ahead and blotch over the letter E, which I painted all black. Okay, so I do this until I am very satisfied. I'm using my Silhouette Cameo machine to cut out these characters. I did print them out on cardstock, and I used my registration mark so that I can use the silhouette to cut around it to go a little bit faster. So it's pretty simple. Some of the characters I did have to use my scissors or my X-Acto knife to cut into, but this whole process was pretty easy. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and make the little stars, and I'm going to use the white paint. And you guys, my nails are a little bit dirty at this point after messing with the navy blue, but I'm taking the back of that same foam brush, I'm taking a pen, and I'm taking a whatever you call that. Okay, so I'm going to take that to help me make the little stars and things like that in space. So as you guys can see, I'm just freestyling and just making it look however way I feel like it should be. Okay. Okay, y'all, don't do what I did. I painted the whole O gray, and it was so hard for me to paint over that gray when I was trying to do the jersey. So if you're going to be doing this, do the gray last, because you can't paint over the gray with white. You're gonna have to put tons of paint. So I only show you bits and pieces of how I am drawing the jersey on the O. I did it off camera because I felt like I was messing up on camera. So I just used that same navy blue because that's what I had. They didn't have any royal blue at the store, so I'm using what I have to make this thing work. And the end was very simple. I painted it all orange, and I took my pencil to sketch out how I wanted the basketball to look, and that's how it turned out. And so when the E was completely dry, I hot glued the characters onto the letter E, and this is what it looks like. And that is pretty much it. As you can see, the jersey, how it turned out, I used the Toon Squad to put on the top of it. And you guys, this party, it was so windy outside, the one did not even stand up. And you know what, you just do what you gotta do. Everyone loved it. It was a great party. And you guys, thank you for watching. If you guys want to see me create other party decors, leave that in the comment below, and your girl got you.